welcome back. I'm Xavier. Today we're going to be watching Frieren. It's season 2, episode 9. So last time we had the thing where Stark and had a battle with Revolte, and they won, and they almost died, but Methode came in at the end to save them, and pointed to Stark, heal Stark first, take the chances with me and stuff, and so he proved he was a good guy after all, and Methode locked in and helped Fern defeat the two demons, and Frieren just chilling by the side. Methode got rid of the fog, and then Fern used her stealth and just bam took them out quickly, quick work. So that was an amazing episode. The fight, the visuals, and everything, the story, everything was like so good. And looking forward to seeing how we end these final 2 episodes of the season. I don't know why I thought we'd see the fighting continue into this episode, but obviously that's not happening. No clue what's gonna happen here, but let's get into it. What name again? Oh my gosh. Denken, yeah. Can't believe I forgot Denken's name.
ここからはわし一人で行く。それに目的地へは徒歩でしか行けんからな。
I assume he's going to visit the grave. And but also interesting that we're seeing like some of the people we saw last season from the first classmate exam. So we saw Verbal and Sharf, and I don't remember the lady's name, but we also saw Methode and the proctor. So interested to see who else we'll see in these final 2 episodes. In the Draken region located on the northern plateau. 30 years. Draken region. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right.
村が竜に襲われてしまいまして。
A dragon. Damn.
本当に危険な土地ですね。まだマシな方だよ。
Where's that?
メルと旅してた時は竜の
Oh,
上に襲
multiple dragon. Whoa.
群れだなんて想像もつかないぜ。
やばいですね。
はい。近くに住み着いてしまったらしく、これを討伐してほしいのです。
北部高原の常識怖い。
やばですね。
I guess that person died.
この村はもうおしまいだね。移り住んだ方がいい。
ですが、我々の故郷はこの場所です。
そうですよ、フリーレン様。
村の人たちがかわいそうだぜ。
相手は竜の群れだよ。分かっているの。こちらも無事では済まない。
Oh, I believe
故
that.
郷を守るんだろ、フリーレン。
報酬次第かな。
それが、この村は貧しく、とても支払えるものは
魔導書とかはないの？
早口言葉を噛まずに言えるようになる魔法という何の役にも立たないような魔法しか。
本当に何の役にも立たなさそうですね。
Yes, it does. Very useless.
もう魔法なら何でもいいのかよ。
どこから来たのかわかる？
She loves the grimoires. Ooh, that's so cool.
前々から思っていたけど、魔法ってすごいよな。
Oh,
こういう時に
absolutely.
本当に便利だ。
Yes,
もっと
very.
褒めていいんだよ。あまり安易に褒めるとフリーレン様の教育に良くないです。
ああ、それもそうよね。
Hey!
二人は私を何だと思って。
Yeah, exactly. Fraser. Party poopers. I love this montage with a squirrel.
But why?
いたね。
すごい数だな。
Yeah.
とはいえ竜は頭がいいから囲まれると厄介だ。できるだけ一箇所に引きつけてまとめて倒そう。竜との戦いは経験済みでしょ。
またかよ。まったくスパルタだな。
始めようか。
今度はちゃんと撃ってくれよな。
Well, they have no choice. Dragon spotted you.
ダルクが一人で片付けなければね。
Whoa! Wow. Rough.
とんでもない激戦だったぜ。
Oh, I can
村に
imagine.
教会があってよかったね。なんで無事なんですか？
わかんない。
普通なんじゃない？アイゼンも頭かじられて無傷だったし。
それ絶対アイゼン様がおかしいですよ。
Oh, yeah. Aizen was extraordinarily different.
てっきりそういうのは受け取らずに人助けをする人だと思っていました。
そうだよね。私もそう思っていた。
I guess it's so they don't feel like they owe something to him or something like that. I don't know. I guess they feel like
見ての通りこの村は貧し
I
く
think so. I'm not sure.
ご用意できるものがこれくらいしかなく、
この村から食料はさすがに受け取れん。
あれはだいぶ前に行商人からもらった手帳ですが、特に使うあてもなく。
なんでヒンメルって人助けの時毎回と言っていいほど報酬をもらっているの？
報酬をもらっておけば貸し借りはなくなるだろう。
Yeah, like I said.
勇者一行なんだ。僕たちが求めているのは誰かを助けることであって感謝の言葉じゃない。相手に貸しを作ってしまったら本当の意味で助けたことにはならないだろう。
だからこんなくだらない魔法でも報酬としてもらっておくんだよ。
I completely understand.
後で本当に噛まないか実験しようっと。
法が欲しいだけじゃないですか。
外の様子はどうだフリーレン。こんなところで足止めとは。
Oh, this is a good segue into some more flashbacks. The email writing in the notebook and now we flashback to a past memory.
僕たちは魔王を倒す冒険の途中なんだから。
その冒険がもう何日もできていないんだぞ。
何も外を歩き回ることだけが冒険じゃない。冒険とはこういうクソみたいな日常の連続なんだ。
何をしているんだヒメル。
どうかしましたか？
ああ。
I didn't realize I said like 50 bottles right there, so. Lake Corridor.
今日は私船は出せそう？
出せると思うか？
It does not look like that. Oh, I forgot to point out. Stark caught a big
わ
fish.
しの船は棺桶じゃ
Oh,
ない
sorry,
ぞ。
multiple big fishes last time in the fight. We saw the improvement of his fishing
しか
skills
し
of
驚いた
rather
な。
than
湖でも嵐っ
besides
て
the fish
起こる
he
んだ
can
な。
コリドーア湖は北側諸国最大の湖だからね。
この強風では飛行魔法で渡るのも無理ですね。
私はともかくフェルンは魔力が持たないでしょ。
湖を迂回することはできないのでしょうか。
good question.
そもそもの悪天候の原因が
Monster?
東西の山脈だ。峠道もないような天候の荒れた山脈を越えようだなんて自殺行為だ。下手に遠回りをするくらいならここで数ヶ月待った方が結果的には安全で早く進めるよ。
start trying to do like that, what Aizen did, except Aizen had it like with the finger, like wild. Frieren are the weird sleeping positions, man.
船は出せそう？
ああ、それで船代はあるのか。それなりの値段はするぞ。まったく足りんな。
フリーレン様が魔導書を買いすぎたせいですよ。
暇だったんだよ。
あ
なら依頼と交換条件といこうか。そこには勇者ヒンメルが残したとされる自伝があるらしい。
Is that true?
町のみんなもその自伝を欲しがっている。それを見つけてほしいんだ。
そういえば旅の途中で書きかけの自伝をなくしたって言っていたな。ヒンメルがっかりしていたっけ？
Oh, okay.
まさかあんな場所にあったなんてね。
Everything coming full circle.
それに最近は北の方で何もかもが黄金でできた黄金鏡が見つかったっていう噂もある。
黄金鏡？それって本当かよ。
さあな。
I
だ
know.
が実際にたどり着いたってやつに会ったことは
Sounds suspicious to
ただの
me.
夢物語だろうさ。あの島だ。
Wait, that was a flashback. I missed it. Sorry, I have to watch it back when I'm editing. See what the flashback was about.
あまり強力な結界ではありませんね。
魔物の襲撃で屋根が崩落したんだそうだ。
なるほどね。それで急ごしらえの結界を張ったのか。
どういうこと？
大抵の修道院に古い貴重な書物が保管されているからね。
Okay.
持ち出せなかった書物を守るためのものだったのですね。
Okay. Yep, that makes sense. I get it.
大きな書庫だな。
ヒンメル様の像がありますね。
かっこいいポーズだな。
間違いない。ヒンメルの字だ。
She would know. This person to verify the authenticity.
他愛のない旅の日常。ただの日常だよ。
Yeah.
はい、依頼の報酬だ。
勇者一行にはエルフの魔法使いがいたと聞いたことがある。まさかお前だったとはな。
どうしてそう思うの？
そんなに寂しそうな顔をしていたら嫌でもわかる。それは大切なものなんだろう。お前が持っている。どうせここには他にも価値のある本はいくらでもある。
私そんな顔してた？
Yes.
少しだけ。
Oh, definitely.
かかってこい魔物よ。この戦士シュタルクが相手になろう。
クラーケンだ。
海の魔物までいるのかよ。
シュタルクが挑発するから。
俺のせい。
シュタルクこの魔物の弱点なの？
何？
という感じで2人なら倒せるから頑張ってね。
早速早口を噛まずに言えるようになる魔法を活用しているようですね。
なんで2人ともそんな冷静でいられるんだ。怖い。
Alright, so that was Himmel's memoirs. That was a fun little episode. At the end there, that was so wild. Where Frieren is like caught by the Kraken and she's telling Fern and Stark how to defeat it, and she's like, go with the fighter. She's in the wall and she just continues saying what she's saying, and then they're supposed to figure out what she said and figure out how to defeat it. So I guess that's what we're gonna tackle in episode 10. and also we're gonna be crossing to the other side. Uh-huh. Right. We also learned some stuff about like rumors of a golden land or something like that. I'm not sure what that's about. Okay, so that was interesting. Oh, we also saw Denken, and I thought we were gonna get back to him, but apparently not. We did not see him. So obviously we're gonna see where he gets to in the next episode, episode 10 in the season finale, because they wouldn't show that now and then bring it up again in season 3. It clearly has some relevance to the next episode, or they would have just saved it for season 3. But we're gonna see Denken in some capacity in the next episode, and he was traveling with the Norm Company, the chivalric order of the Norm, or whatever them call that arm of the military arm of it. And so he went to the place to wherever, and he said he can only travel on foot. So I assumed it's gonna be like something related to I call the grave of Faye's wife. So I don't know. We'll see. And yeah, so this was mainly about memories and stuff, which is appropriate for the title episode, Himmel's Memoirs. Because we saw the first part was about saw them tackle the dragons, and what was the thing? Uh, beside they were thinking, and then the dragons, and then the memories part. Okay, yeah, my bad. I forgot the show does that sometimes, where it like separates episodes into two parts, where you see like a one part and then other part, and then sometimes it's like loosely connected, sometimes other times not, and I just I feel you're just like traveling with them slice of life, like, and then other times you'll see like the last few episodes where it was like a little mini arc of episodes, so it mixes up like that. Right, so the dragon fight, that was cool. Stark is like tough and built different, and Eisen was built more different though, because that brother was whoa. Oh, sorry, still alive in the show. Not was. I'm sure he can. Yes, wait, Rose was is fine because he's not getting around like he can before, but I'm sure he can still hold his own and stuff like that. But yeah, he was built different. Yeah, so, and then Stark is taken after him, but obviously not as, because Eisen is a dwarf, and I'm sure that comes with added durability and everything. And also he lives longer, and so he had more time to train and stuff. So that's the difference there. But yeah, so kudos to Stark, and then we saw the memories, and we saw the memories and the memories that Frieren got to experience again. 'Cause obviously, she remembers all this stuff because, as an elf, her memories is immensely good. It has to be to retain that centuries worth of information that you were living through. But it's just like triggering her memories, and then she's like fond of um and like she's come a far way since like sort of episode 1 of season 1, and where she was like crying when Himmel died, and she was like, whoa, this affected me more than I thought. And then like, because this journey was so different for her, it was like it was fated for her to experience this, and it changed her whole life. Like she was just bam bam boom, and she was following say Flame, and just living her life in the shadows, practicing her techniques and stuff, and then she was fated to meet Himmel, and then their journey helped defeat the Demon King, and it just put her on a new path in life, and now she's treasuring her memories, and it's helped her being able to relate to Stark and Fern and like Shine and Kraft and whoever else them come up against, and just like, yeah, so different, and it's like fun to see the changes and everything. Yeah, but looking forward to seeing what happens next time. Fighting the Kraken and finishing the season. I'll give my thoughts on the season in the next episode, my discussion and stuff. But I would prefer it by seeing. It's been fun. It's been different compared to last season, slightly, but it's been more the same because we've had the, like I said, the chopped up thing where first part is one thing and then second part is another thing. We've also had the little arc thing. So this was kind of like the first part of season 1, but we've already established the characters. Oh yeah, and we've also like brought back characters we saw in season 1. We brought them back in season 2 from like people from the first class making exam and stuff, and we also had a reference to Sign and stuff. And so I don't know how long season 3 is gonna take and whatever like for that, but yeah, because the man goes on hiatus and all that. So I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, so good time. Looking forward to episode 10. Those are my thoughts. Goodbye.